Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory, showing you what we've just completed. So we've got a yacht roof here that we've custom built, and we've built a sunroof for it as well. So basically the customer gave us a steel frame that he wanted the roof built to, and we made flat sheets of fiberglass and then curved them to suit and cut them and chopped them and changed them so that we could suit his frame that he's got. So this is a hard top for quite a large yacht. Look, it's been challenging. Like working out how the runners would work with this sunroof that we've built for him. It's been interesting. The sunroof's got a curve, so as it comes, it twists. So we had to try a few different things to get that to work for us. And we tried a few different aluminium channel. As you can see, we've U-bolted the roof down to the stainless steel frame. Yeah, it's come together quite well. So customer's on his way to pick it up, and we're very happy. Contact us if you've got a project that you want us to help you with.